heavy breathing.
How is this possible? How are you here? I watched you die. I had buried you myself.
Foolish, naive dragon, don't you know? I can never die.
No, that can't be. That's impossible. No. Oh my gosh. It was just a nightmare, right? It was all just a dream. There's no ghostly apparitions here. No immortal birds. It's all just my imagination. This is the real world. Nothing's here to get me in the real world. I'm safe, calm, collected, ready for bed. Again? Hello? Perfectly safe. Perfectly safe. Perfectly safe. Let me get myself nestled in here.